Our immune system is incredibly important. It plays an important role in helping us to fight illnesses, to fight disease, and generally to keep us healthy. Now, you don't need me to tell you there is huge anxiety all around the world at the moment because of the coronavirus. Now, our immune system can help us to stay healthy and to fight illness and disease. Now, the question is, how can we strengthen our immune system? In this video clip today, inshallah, I want to share with you some natural foods that have been shown to improve a person's immune system, strengthen a person's immune system. The first is yogurt, natural yogurt, which is a great source of vitamin D. It's good for your bones, and it also helps to enhance good bacteria in your gut. The second is garlic. Now, garlic has such components which help to fight infections and help to fight illnesses and bacteria. The third is ginger. Now, ginger is full of antioxidants and many other vitamins and things such as magnesium and iron and zinc. All of these things are very, very important for developing a strong immune system and for maintaining a strong immune system. Another is spinach. Now, spinach is a great source of vitamin C and also another food that has a lot of antioxidants, again, which can help your body to fight against diseases and illnesses. Other foods which are commonly mentioned as well, turmeric, something that we commonly use in cooking from the subcontinent, South Asian cooking, almonds, dates, and many other things like this. But generally, my dear Islamic brothers, the most important thing to look at is when you're preparing your meals, when you're looking at your diet, focus more upon natural fruits, vegetables, and unrefined foods as opposed to processed foods, because natural fruit and vegetables will contain more nutrients and will help your body develop a stronger immune system.